pelan-pelan. Kan? Panasnya super.
I definitely thought that these was y'all. My mom bought some Croc heels, and she finna wear them to a funeral. You ain't gotta tell them all that there. None of they business.
None of you bitches got these exclusive
Hey, push off, bucko, push off, bucko, push off, bucko. What you get, bro?
Always so fucking cold outside.
Catalina, every time that you park, remember that you can close it so your car is protected, okay?
Pinkie Pie, you're a genius! No, I'm not. I'm a chicken.
Wee. Wee.
Aduh, banyak gagal. Aduh, sakit.
¿Cuánto mete?
3 litros.
Hoi.
Stop being a little bitch, you're right there. You looked at me. Oh my god, I hate myself. Crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so you go in and tell. Yeah, somebody should go in and tell somebody.
I have to go tell.
She's doing her whole car. Looks like a regular strawberry, but I don't know what they mama had going on.
Yeah, they did a good job with the hair in this game. Shit looks pretty good. Look at that.
It's Dave. I'd love to see you, brother. I know it's been a while. I got a couple of surprises.
Oh, shit. I caught that up.
Hey guys, I'm just gonna vacuum real quick. I'm sorry, it's gonna be loud.
You're good. You're fine.
Damn, Papo, you got a honey next to you. Tell her what's up.
What's up, baby? Yeah.
man.
Ready?
Yes.
Don't take a video because I don't know if we're allowed to do this.
Well, probably not, but fucking.
Nobody's gonna see it.
I would hold the handles.
Sideways.
I don't know if you can lock your feet in any which way.
No, you're not supposed to.
You ready?
Momentum.
Yeah. You ready? Yeah.
Hold on.
Let's do it.
What? Nah.
Look at my neck, look at my freezer. She give me neck, she going deep. Look at my neck.
Here we go again. No parking, 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 no parking. Hey, hey, hey! You can't park there. No parking, no parking, no parking, no parking, no parking, no parking, no parking. No parking, 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 no parking. No parking.
Yeah, she told me that she loved me. Yeah, she loved me. And she sipping bubbly.
Go get the ball and put it up.
Did you see how he arrived today?
Oh, wow. That is...
It is
wow.
Oh, please.
Oh, man.
I'm going to need someone to...
No sé. No, destapé la botella.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Bruh. Look at these goofy ass shoes from the Goodwill.
Let's go.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it.
Eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Drum ways to dry.
Y nos fuimos.
Dios mío, ¿qué hago? How do you pronounce this?
Apartment?
Apartment?
Hey.
Apartment?
Apartment.
Apartment?
Apartment.
Apartment?
Tylko jedno w głowie ma, koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam, krainę samognienia.
Fucker!
Here we go!
Shadow Man.
Accidentally went skiing in Amish.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
Schieß ist modern.
I'm good. Ah, geez.
Will you marry me?
No.
But I still need a bit of milk, full fat, which I've warmed in the microwave. Microwave. Microwave.
What the?
What do you think about standing up in there?
Just when you think that the coast is clear, there in the road is a white-tailed deer. Den deer, dare here, den dare, here, dare, everywhere. Den deer, dare here, den dare, here, dare, everywhere. In Venison land, as the day goes by, the deer.
That's true. You're certain you had to open this door?
Yeah, I'm certain.
What's the point, Ventura? Only this.
This is double pane soundproof glass. There's no way that neighbor could have heard Pedactor scream on the way down with that door shut. The scream she heard came from inside this apartment before he was thrown over the balcony, and the murderer closed the door before he left. Yes! Yes! Oh, yeah! Can you feel that, buddy? Huh? 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 I have exorcised the demons.
You can tell me who was getting dressed today. You wearing white or?
I didn't get dressed. I just threw this.
Let me take you a couple pictures real quick. Couple
No,
off guards.
for what?
For Instagram.
Are you recording? I don't want to record right now.
Come on. Just a couple off guards real quick. Let me get the flash too.
Come on.
Mom, you look really beautiful right now.
I'm popping.
Yeah.
I look good, huh?
Is it doing right? Roger ain't got nothing on you.
Who the fuck is Roger, bitch?
No, I'm just talking.
Oh, okay.
Don't hurt him. You doing right. Right before Valentine's Day, too. You have to find you somebody.
Big red over here.
See, let me show you, because you're doing really good. Let me see.
You bony bitch.
Why are you tripping? You
don't do that. Don't do that. If I take off on your motherfucking neck.
I will no longer rest in the shadows. I have taken root and will now accept your praise. I am the Pumpkin Lord.
Mama.
stripes flashing before your eyes? Pick it up. Pick it up.
Yeah. Yeah, I know y'all not serious. Yo, this is not. Nah, no way, dude. Y'all got a speaker?
No way. I'm telling you, it's nice.
Wait.